Oh no, he's falling down.
Oh, but you don't.
Oh, gross. Are you choking him? Are you smothering him? What's going on? Should I intervene?
My brain. Oh, stop. Okay.
Remember, like, right before I started filming when you guys were being nice to each other? Ah! I missed the hugging portion of this.
Real dudes don't hug.
Dudes totally hug. Show him how it's done, Jack. Oh, now it becomes kung fu. Whoa, whoa. Oh, I saw a booty crack. We need to fix someone's pants.
No butt food allowed. Stop kung fuing yourself. Stop kung fuing yourself.
Let him fix his pants, Terry.
Fix your pants. Fix your pants.
Alright, now hug and say the end.
The end.
Yay, Jack won. Oh, yay. Oh, gross.